Welcome to BK's Kitchen and Craft. Today we are making aloo pakora or potato fritters. For this recipe we are going to need sliced potatoes, cumin seeds, kasuri methi or fenugreek leaves, salt, turmeric powder, besan or chana flour, degi mirch and water to make batter. Okay, so first of all we need to make a batter. So I'm going to use a little bit and we'll see if we need it more. We can add more chana flour in there or gram flour or besan. We're gonna mix it. I'm sorry, I add a little more water, but use little water at a time. So also we adding a chili pepper. This is a Degi Mirch just for color. Now I'm adding salt, kasuri methi. This adds a flavor. Heeng powder, cumin seeds. We mix it well. Okay, so we're gonna choose more. Oops. Okay, add some more water. We don't want too thick and too loose because we want to coat those potatoes with it. Okay, it looks perfect. No lump, nothing in there. You can check the salt if it's less or more, but I usually don't because I know how much I need. Okay, our batter is ready. Now we'll show you next step. Okay, seems like our oil is ready. I'm gonna test it out. Okay, it is good. So now we're gonna dip those potato slices in the batter. And gently drop in here. Make sure you coat all the way. Heat is medium high at this point. You don't want more than that because otherwise it will cook from outside but not from inside. Once it's ready to come out, we're gonna like higher a little bit the heat because otherwise let's leave the oil in the pakoras. We don't want that too much oil in the pakoras. You don't want to cook like too brown because it ruins the taste. You won't even taste besan in there, which is chana flour and other ingredient. So this color is just perfect. Don't use your hand if you're doing it. It's very hot, oil is very hot, and I am so used to, so don't copy me for that. Use spoon or something. Okay, so we're all done here, and that's plated. Here is our aloo pakora or potato fritters ready to eat. You can eat with tamarind chutney or ketchup. Thank you so much for watching. If you are new on my channel, please like, share and subscribe. And don't forget to click on the bell icon to get notification for my new videos. Thanks again for watching, and I will see you with a new video. Until then, take care.